Okay, here we go for the day. It's honestly not much to watch, if I'll be very honest here. Roku, I hate trading Roku, but if we break out of this range, 66.70 could be a good trade on Roku. Gotta break out of that range though. JD is a possible. Doesn't usually work. And then Roku. And then we're gonna go AU, and then I'm gonna put shop here. Shop is a gap fill. Could happen today, might not happen today, it might reject. I'm just curious about it because it has a very large kind of gap to fill here, and we're getting up to where it's going to start filling, as you can see here. 47.29, and we're going to open at about 47.29. So kind of want to see what is going to happen there. FRC and Square looks like they're on our list too. Plug. Let's see. Let's see, Square. Ooh, Square's going for a gap fill. Up to 72.52. That's important. That's a gap fill. I'm gonna go ahead and take shop off and put Square, because Square is actively trying to fill this gap, as you can see here. All the way up to 72.52 is almost destined to happen. Potentially today because of the gap, over 3%. So I'm definitely looking to get along on Square. Plug I don't really like that much. It is bouncing from the lows, but I think it's possible that doesn't do much. In terms of FRC today, that looks like shit. Yeah, I'd say Square is my number one right now, to be honest with you. I think we got a hell of room to run all the way up to 72.52, possibly today. I'm actually gonna move Square. I want Square as my number one. My number one site here. Actually, let's change JD over here because that's my number two, and we'll put AU over there. And then Roku's up there. I probably won't trade Roku today. Square, I want to trade, but we'll see how it goes. Let me check. Square's got good volume. It's going up. Yeah, it could be good. Oops. Let's see if anything else is over 3% on my watch list. Square, yep. Plug, yep. UBS. Let's take a look at UBS here. Not much volume. A little bit extended back to the upside here, considering we're in a banking crisis still. Don't know if I like that. All right, we got to watch the overall market today because it just had a big day yesterday and now it's going for another big day today. Just gotta be careful. We are over resistance. We do have room to move up. Could be okay. Okay, yeah. Square's my number one. Let's read these real quick. There's nothing. Alright, 30 seconds. Not trading within the first 5 minutes. Square is my number one, not my number five on the watch list. And then I would say probably JD over that 4406. Gonna watch shop. Probably won't trade Roku. Probably won't trade AU, but we'll see. Mm. Market's down out of the gate here. Overall market. Not down overall, but it is just moving towards the downside after a gap up. 1 minute in here. Not much movement on anything. Square, I definitely need a bigger pull down here. Yep, Roku's a no-go. Mayor would usually take this trade on JD here. I wait the first 5 minutes. You can get chopped up in the first couple minutes, so. But I put levels on it. Just like that, and get kind of chopped up right there. Probably gonna drop under 31. Yep, there it goes. See? That's why you can get chopped up. Would you need one line on there? That's why we wait the first 5 minutes, everybody. Saw it look like it was a good trade, and then what did it do? Came down and broke lows. Would have stopped you out. Wow, Square just all of a sudden took off. Did not really see that one coming. Gonna give it a little bit here, see what happens. That's such a weird candle that it's gonna make right now. Okay, there's the first 5 minutes. Gonna buy there on that Square. Stop under the lows, 68.60. It's not a perfect setup though. I added. We're gonna wait on it here. I wanna know what's gonna happen. 68.60. Risking 30 cents here. $60 stop loss. Give it its space to run here. Looks like the market's helping us out. Need to get over 69.19. I think it's gonna do it. Let's see. Come on, over 19. Just touch 19. Market's pulling back, not really helping us out here. There it goes. Gonna give it time. Like to see this trade work out a little. Usually I would take 30% of my shares off here, but I'm letting it work out. I want to see this trade work out a little bit. That's mainly because it's a gap fill. Gap fills are more important to me. I think they're more prone to working out. Now we could come right back down and break the lows now. Still. Like I said, usually I would take a little bit off, but I'm leaving it. Actually only going to sell 50 there. I'm going to sell another 50 right here. That rejection on 50. Off of 69.50 there, the rejection. And then I might take the rest off pretty quick here, but I'm going to let it run for right now. Break even is our stop, 68.90. Actually, let's go to the whole dollar. 69 is going to be my stop. Otherwise, we're going to let this run. See if we can get to 70 here. We're over the 50, over the half dollar. It's got a lot of power to it. I'm gonna let it run, let it ride here. Letting it ride here. I'll take another 25 off on our next pump. Ooh, that was a big drop. Our next pump up here, over these highs of 61. Might go through a pullback here. Otherwise, over 61, I want to go ahead and take another 25 off. Over 61. There we go. 69.70. 72, 76, over 75. There we go. First sign of a pullback. Another partial out. No pullback. No sign of a pullback. No sign of a pullback. There's your first sign of a pullback. We go up again. Let's see what we do at 70 here. Right at 70, I'm taking another 25 off there at 70. Taking another 25 there. Taking the rest there. I'm going to add back if I can on this pullback here. Expect to pull back down to VWAP and then an add. No other stocks look good to me. This thing is a little bit extended now. Probably could go through a bit of a pullback here. It's fine. Okay, market's helping it up. I'm going to add another 100 there. Stop will be the low of that pullback. So 69.66 is my stop there. 69.66, if I was wrong, it's going to be my stop. Adding more. Over 70.07 now. Looking to get over 70.07. Could need a bigger pullback here. Gonna size down there. Looks a little top heavy. I did size down for a little bit of a loss, but that's okay. So it was looking a little bit top heavy on me. $70.05 there. Looking for a breakout now. Looks like we might have rejected there. hovering at this 70 level here. Let's see a breakout. There it is. There's a breakout. Is it a false break though? Overall market should be helping us here. Hmm. Okay, and all off for a good gain. $157 day. Roku was no good. Square, yeah, I could have a little bit more in it. I'm done for the day on it. I made some good profit. So that's gonna be it for me. Nothing else to trade, no reason for me to stay. See you guys tomorrow.